Motivation or attitude gaps, I define these as people know what to do, but they're still not doing it. Anything where the gap isn't, it isn't that they are unaware, there's a reason why it's not happening. So, for example, most people aren't still smoking because nobody has happened to mention to them that smoking is a bad idea. Like most people have heard that message. And I don't mean to beat up on smokers, it's a really hard problem. But it is, there's a lot of things where people know what to do, and yet it's still not happening and maybe for legitimate reasons. They may just have competing priorities, or they may have a system that's kind of broken, and so it makes sense they're operating within it the best they can. But the answers for how we think about learning design for those situations are probably a little bit different than just sort of telling them louder and more emphatically what to do.